Hi, this is Nick Jones representing Computer Science and Software Engineering Senior Design Team 14, and I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of our project entitled App Development for Monitoring Insect Infestation. The main purpose of our work really centers around the existence of a common pest of grapes known as grapeberry moth, or GBM for short. These moths are such a significant threat to grape farmers and their vineyards because they commonly lay their eggs inside grape berries, which then hatch into larvae that feeds on these berries and causes their total destruction, rendering them totally useless to farmers. Grape farmers need to have a way to effectively combat this pest so as to prevent significant amounts of grape loss to it every single growing season. Now, the purpose of our work is to develop a mobile app that does just that, that allows grape farmers to document grapeberry moth infestations throughout their vineyards so that in future growing seasons they can use that data to take more well-informed preventative measures against the pest and therefore lose significantly smaller amounts of grape crop to it every year. Now, to show you exactly how our app accomplishes that, I will guide you through a brief demo. Here is our app, which we call VidiSmart, open on my Pixel 2 emulator. I will sign into it really quick. And once I log in, it'll navigate me to the home page where I'm presented with many options, the most important of which are upload cluster and infestation map. The first thing I'll do is select upload a cluster, which presents me with options to either take a picture right now or upload one from the gallery. I'll select capture, which takes me to the device's camera, which is currently displaying a grape cluster, which I'll take a picture of, confirm the picture, and then I am presented with three options to either mark the grapes as not as infested with grapeberry moth, as not infested with grapeberry moth, or I have this not sure option, which if I select, navigates me to reference pictures of grapes that have been affected by the moth so I can get an idea of what it looks like. After perusing some of these images, I can determine that these grapes look relatively healthy, so I will select not infested. Once I do that, it tells me the upload was successful, and I can go to the infestation map. Here at the map, you can see really quick, it puts me at the emulator's location, and I can select a relevant time interval. And once I do that, it displays a pin for me for every single image this user has uploaded within this time interval. Blue pins represent pictures that are of uninfested grapes, and red pins represent pictures of infested grapes. Over here you'll find the one that I just uploaded. And we believe that this data is very helpful for grape farmers because it shows them exactly where in their vineyards grapeberry moth infestations are happening the most. So they can use this data, say, in next growing season to know exactly where they should focus their insecticide applications within their vineyard. One last thing that I would like to note is that work on this app will be picked up by a future development team whose goal will be to expand the cluster capture section to include AI functionalities that use machine learning to scan a picture of a grape cluster and detect symptoms of grapeberry moth infestation automatically. Thank you very much for listening. We appreciate your time.